This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Great home in Fountain Park North, this charming home offers beautiful curb appeal with circle drive for easy access onto McNiel. Roof replaced in 2026. Spacious separate master suite features a newer walk-in shower. Kitchen features quartz countertops, pretty backsplash, new oven, microwave, and cooktop. Loads of storage throughout. Office could serve as fourth bedroom with closets across the hall. Nice backyard with patio and pergola. Enjoy the sun porch added just a year ago. Not in square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.